Hello everyone. This question was asked in JEE Mains 2023 and the question says A is equal to double summation minimum of I comma j and B is equal to double summation max of I comma j, and we have to find the value of A plus B. Before solving each to find the value of A and B, we will break the double summation into much simpler terms and try to understand what the summation means. So first of all, we know that sigma I is equal to 1 to 10 is 1 plus 2 plus 3 till 10. Now if I write double summation j, the trick to solve the double summation is that we will start this from the left side, that is when the value of I is 1. When the value of I is 1, we have entered into this summation, that is j, sigma j. First of all, the value will be 1, then j will be getting incremented, then it will go on till 2, 3 and 10. When the inner loop is terminated, the value of I gets incremented, that is the value of I now will be 2. The same thing will go on, that is the value of j will be 1, 2, 3 till 10. Similarly, 3 I will be 3, then j will be 1, 2, 3 and this goes on till 10, and this whole summation will go on till I is 10 and the value of j is 10. So the first element, if we try to write the ordered pairs of I comma j, that will be 1 comma 1, next will be 1 comma 2, goes on till 1 comma 10. This, the next will be 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, this goes on till 2 comma 10. The vertical column will go on till 10 comma 1, 10 comma 2 and this goes on till 10 comma 10. So the first element of the ordered pair will be 1 comma 1 and the last will be 10 comma 10. Now let me clear up this and write all the ordered pairs to solve and find the values of A and B. Here I've written the first two rows and the first two columns of all the of all the ordered pairs to this double summation. Now here, first of all, to find the value of A is the minimum of I comma j for all of these ordered pairs. That is the last will be 10 comma 10 and so on. There will be many of this in between. So minimum of 1 comma 1 will obviously be 1. From these two, minimum will be 1 and so on. From all the elements of the first row will have the minimum 1. So 10 times 1, because we are getting 1 from each of these elements 10 times. Let's come on to the first column, that is 2 comma 1, 3 comma 1 and so on till 10 comma 1. This, all these 9 elements will also give the minimum 1, so that is plus 9 times 1. And let's group these two together. We will get 19 times 1. Now let's move forward to find the 2 minimum or the second row and the second column. That is in this row, that is from 2 comma 2 till 2 comma 10, the minimum will always be 2. And the same here from 3 comma 2 to 10 comma 2, the minimum will be 2. If we count each of these elements, we will get that 2 is the minimum 17 times. Now the next term would be 15 into 3 because 15, because after every possible after checking every possible outcome, that is first for checking the minimum of 1. Now the second case where the minimum is 2, there is one row and one column less to count each time, so the next will be 13 times 4. No, 11 times 5, 9 times 6, 7 times 8, 7 times 7, uh, 5 times 8, then 3 times 9, and 1 time 10. We can also count individually, but it will take much of our time. Now let's solve for B. We have to find the maximum of I comma j. Now in the last row, we know that maximum will always be 10, and the last column, the maximum will be 10. And if we count each one of this is 10, and from 10 comma 1 to 10 comma 9 we have 9 elements, so 19 times 10. Now for the second last row and second last element, we will have 17 into 9. The next will be 15 into 8. The next will be 13 into 7. 13 into 7, 11 into 6, 9 into 8, 9 into 7, 13 into 6, 9 into 5, plus 7 into 4, 5 into 3, 5 into 3, 3 into 2, and 1 times 1. We don't have to calculate each of the values of one a and b, because we have to find the value of a plus b. And if we look here, the term 19 into 1 and 1 into 1 will, if we find the value of a plus b here, 19 times 1 and 1 times 1 will get grouped together to get 20 times 1. 17 times 2 and 3 times 2 will get grouped together to get 20 times 2. And this will continue till 20 times 10. Now taking 20 common, we have 1 plus 2 plus 3, which goes on till 10. This is the sum of first 10 natural numbers, that is 10 into 10 into 11 by 2. Now this is 10, and so the answer is 1100.